If you're still gluing leather like this, you're wasting a huge amount of time without even realizing it. This one simple change has saved me hours of my workbench. And today I'm going to show you exactly how. But there's one thing you need to know before you apply this, otherwise it won't work. And is this eco cement really strong enough to compete with contact cement? So instead of using a brush or a spatula from my contact cement back and forth over and over, you can simply just run this marker over the edge of the leather. And when you repeat a task over and over, even a small improvement can start to add up. So with a quick shake before applying, because there's a ball bearing that sits in here that mixes up the glue properly, so then just using some pressure to depress the nib and to apply the glue onto the leather surface. But speed is not the only advantage for me. Let me know down in the comments section, what glue are you using and how does it work for you? This is the 1+1 eco-friendly water-based non-toxic adhesive. It comes in bottles of varying different sizes, but the real game changer is this marker system that they've created. These markers themselves feel really good quality, really thick plastic, and then they have this hard applicator nib at the end. Now, I wish they did a thinner one. It comes in a 10mm, a 15mm, and then this is the 30mm tip. As I typically only need to glue a few millimeters or about 1/8 of an inch for my stitch line offset from the edge of the leather. But what I do is basically just overhang this over the edge and it works absolutely fine. Because the applicator is so narrow and controlled, it means I can put the glue exactly where I want to. This works really well when you have multiple layers, for example, a complex card holder or passport wallet or something. With contact cement, it's really difficult to get a nice, clean, precise application without making a huge mess and going beyond the amount of leather that you want to glue onto. So once you apply the glue, you can't stick it together straight away, otherwise it won't work. And the reason is all down to the science of what's in these bottles. 1+1 reached out and sent me all of these glue sets to test out. And I didn't really have great opinions of eco cement beforehand, so I was a little dubious to start with. But I was really impressed with how easy the application is. They also completely non-toxic, which is one of the biggest disadvantages with contact cement. So these have earned a place on my workbench as my go-to glue. So if you want to check them out, there's a link down in the description. And using code CONTOUR10, you can also get 10% off your entire order. So once you apply the glue, you'll see it start to darken as the glue is absorbed into the leather. Then once dry, you can apply some pressure and to join these two surfaces together permanently. So 1+1 glue markers contain a eco contact cement. So this works in a similar way to traditional contact adhesive or contact cement. So the difference here is that the polymer is suspended in a water-based solution with a 1+1 glue versus a solvent in the traditional contact adhesive. But you still need to wait for that water to evaporate for the polymer chains to fix together properly. As it dries, the water evaporates and the surface becomes tacky rather than slippery. If you stick the leather together too early, the pieces will slide away, you won't get a strong hold, and you might trap moisture in between the two layers of leather. It's ready to go after just a few minutes of drying, but there is a way to get an even stronger hold if you need it. So is this as strong as traditional contact adhesive? It's pretty strong and it gives a nice permanent fix, but it's not as strong as contact adhesive. But does it need to be? You're hardly ever relying on glue for strength. That's what the stitching is for. The glue holds the leather together temporarily, but the stitching is what really makes for a durable, long-lasting finish. So you get a nice permanent hold with this glue and a really easy application. So for me, contact adhesive is just overboard. And also with it being an eco cement, I'm also not damaging my health by inhaling it. But if you need it, there is a way to get an even stronger fix, and it's not applying more glue. Let it dry, let it become tacky, and then what you can do is use these little clips to apply pressure and leave it for a few hours. So this takes it from a good, permanent, strong hold to something that gives you an even stronger fix. So these clips help you to get a nice consistent pressure without marking your leather, which is key for that professional look. So then a few hours later, you can come back, take your clips off, but I'll only do this when I really need that level of strength. 90% of the time, the method I talked about earlier will work perfectly. If you're just starting out, don't stop here. This video up on screen is the perfect follow-up. Let's keep crafting.